Guys, I'm here with some great news. The bull market in cryptocurrency has started. Coins which had fallen, 150 to 200%, they've started gaining 15-20% in a day. Uh, Bitcoin ignited the bull market. It was the first to get off the blocks. It ran from 29 to 44,000 in hardly any time. Ethereum was languishing at 1600. Today it's crossed a very important resistance. Not today, 2 days ago. It crossed a resistance of 2300 and closed above that. I don't know how fast Ethereum will move, but normally Ethereum and Bitcoin move in tandem. So while Bitcoin heads towards halving and it's the next target is 68,000. I don't know if from 68,000 it would come back and again start its climb to 100,000 or whether it would go on without a break. I don't know. Similarly, Ethereum's next target is if it crosses its previous high of 3,800 to 4,000, it should make a head towards 5,000. Otherwise, it would retract back to close to 3,000 levels and then start its move to 5,000. Cardano has been my favorite. From $3, it's been languishing around 30 cents. Now from 40, it has climbed to 50 in just one day. That's a 25% jump in a day. These are not ordinary moves. Basically, even Cardano is a good coin, a lot of applications, it follows in Ethereum footsteps, but then a bear market is a bear market, and the mere fact that the Fed is signaling possibly a cut in interest rates, which points to greater liquidity, means that the ignition in the crypto bull market is on and the engine is going to really rev up. So get into crypto, buy Bitcoin, do an SIP in Bitcoin and Ethereum. The altcoins that I know about, I think my picks are easily Cardano. Perspective, I think Cardano, Ripple, VeChain, these are all good. I would not get into meme coins when you have so much choice. There are many exchanges like BNB. So you could do your research on what are the good exchanges which one could buy, which have really fallen. Uh, I can't think of many names right now, but you could buy some exchanges as well. Yeah, I'll be back with more.